It's a new ETT, it's a night mission. We're here in the middle of the night to build a board. Here it is. This should have everything we need for this build. We've got light. We've got flashlights, headlamps. We wanted to light up the night, and LED Lenser has sent us everything we need to do that. This is gonna be way too much fun. This is every third Thursday, a chance for us to have some fun in our factory, get creative with board design and materials, just get spontaneous, come up with a theme, and build it. Snowboarding at night can be a lot of fun. It's a completely different vibe than riding during the day, and typically you're under floodlights at a resort. This ETT, we're heading deep into the mountains in search of powder in the pitch black. There's just nothing like riding at night, trying to figure out how are we going to incorporate the right amount of light into a board. We've done LEDs before with the Apple board, with the iPad board. We put them behind the logo, and we've seen LED strips. A lot of people ask us to do it, but it's a real low-level light. We want the whole board to just throw light out all directions. We've got plenty to work with. Now we have to figure out how to put it into the board. What we're really starting to like is the fact that these headlamps come off and they actually rotate 180 degrees. So we could build these into the board, into the core.
I really want to mount this thing.
I think we should.
Let's do one board with just headlamps and the other one with those lights. So we'll have two boards.
Just pulled these lamps apart, cut the clips off, drilled through them. They're ready for inserts. We're gonna mount two up here, two in the center, and then we're gonna put two flashlight lamps off the tail. That should send a nice array of light for this board, and then we'll set up the other board. Last few holes for the battery packs, and now we're ready to router out some inserts, and we're ready for layup. We got one board in the press, one more to go, then it's time to finish them out.
On this other one, so we're gonna have two boss lights up front. I'm gonna put this guy back here facing the tail. This is a perfect little place for a swallowtail. We'll cut it out right here.
Customizing boards around specific ideas is always a good time. We always learn something new about a material, a process, or even a new opportunity. Plus, it's easy to mess one up, so it keeps us on our toes, which I like. What we want to do for this ETT is just make a board that will completely enhance the nighttime riding experience. Like, this isn't about putting lights into a board for some production idea down the road. This is all about just having a good time out in the backcountry.
We have got light.
You'll see. You'll get your money's worth from this one. Look at these things. An all-nighter at the factory. LED Lenser came through huge. These boards look insane. Off to the backcountry of Baldface Lodge. This is gonna be fun. This slice of heaven is Baldface Lodge, nestled comfortably in the Kootenays above Nelson, BC. This place has become a destination for high-profile shredders from around the world.
such an epic night on these light boards. Making those turns through those trees and just seeing all those shadows and the light flying around us. Incredible. And we just came down and everyone's asleep. We just rolled into the lodge and it is silence. I guess it's time to go to bed.
Pulled the night shift, dog.
Yeah, pulled the night shift.
You know,
The
now we
night
got
shift with Jake O.E.
Day shift
Always a good
tomorrow,
time.
night shift at night. 24-hour business we got going on here.
That's right. My pants are about to fall down.
Yeah, that's fine. You good?
Whoa, shit. Sorry. You okay?
Yeah.